Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So this is part of my series where I do the monthly birthstone. This month it's emerald, so I did this fun not graphic. Is it graphic if it's just a color? I don't fucking know. But I did this fun like ombre green liner that you can't really see past these lashes, but I just wanted to do something fun, simple. I was really gonna go all out, but I changed my mind and did this look because once I kind of had my hair done, I was like, go for like a little gamer girl moment. I have like a little fake piercing in my septum. I don't know, I really had fun. It was quick, it was easy. Please go ahead, continue watching, like, subscribe. Let's jump right into the video. Just know I'm always laughing because I've said it like 18 fucking times trying to get it right and I'm so dorky. Anyhow, okay, watch the video. Okay guys, first things first, let's go ahead. I mean, I kind of know where I'm going with this, but I'm gonna take this Naked palette that I have here and I'm gonna use this bone color and bring that from the inner corner all the way up to the brow bone. Basically saturate the entire lid with that color. Let me match up the other eye real quick. Since I'm already in this palette, I'm just gonna take Caution right here and start buffing that onto the transition. I don't want too dark of a lid. But I do want, obviously, some depth. It's gonna be all about the liner. Okay, so that is good enough for right now. Let's try this liner. So I'm gonna jump into Jeffree Star's Alien palette. That was the Naked Cherry palette, I don't know if I said. And I'm gonna go into this color, Alien, and start that on the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and just squirt this liner brush with some Fix Plus, just to get the shadow to really show up like I want. Kind of make that sharp right there. Probably hard to pick up on camera, but it is really pretty in person because that does you a lot of good. Can you see? Yeah, I think you can see. Good enough. I'm gonna also darken. It's gonna be kind of an ombre effect. I think I want to thicken it up just a little bit. And I know it's not like really an emerald green, but it's all about just inspiring to work with color. So I think I'm gonna go in with Flying Saucer right here. It's just a matte green. And then I'm gonna top it with Probe, and I may end up topping it with Alien just to see, because Probe almost has like brown undertones and I want it to pull more green. So I'm just gonna see what I can get going with these colors all kind of blended together. I think either way it'll be just cute how it turns out, but let's see if I can keep the green going. I can't talk and do liner. Anybody that can is a savage, in my book. I think it looks pretty cool how it is, but I'm still just gonna go for it and jump into the Probe color right there and put that on the outer wing, and then kind of leaving some of the green that I put on, the matte green in the middle, because it does kind of look shimmery with the original Alien under it, so that'll be just kind of more to add to the ombre effect. There it is up close. It is so cute. I really need to do, I used to have this really cute like blue liner that had like some glitter in it that I loved and I'd wear all the time. I forget what brand, or I'd probably buy it again. If you want to do like a really sharp kind of fade, just kind of flick out, like line it up with the liner and flick out and lift the brush a little bit just to kind of get that little like, so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. I really wasn't gonna at first, but let me pop on some lashes and I'll be right back, and then we'll add more to the look. Okay, so lashes on. This is the look. So lashes kind of like cover up the liner. I mean, not too bad. In person, you can see it better. I guess kind of there. Can you see it? Super cute. I'm gonna add a little bit more to my transition. Not much, just a little. And I'm gonna leave the lower lash line bare because I really like how it looks right now without anything down there. I think it looks just fine. I'm gonna take a little bit of Pluto and hit the inner corner. Just to really have that like bright inner corner. I love this liner, and it really is inspiring me to like do this more often and wear it out, because I totally wear this out because I think it looks so cute. So let's toss on some lipstick. I'm just gonna use the Mud Cosmetics lip liner in color I don't know, because it's rubbed off. And overline these lips to go with just like this cool different like liner, just be pouty. I mainly just overline my upper lip, but you can do both bottom and lower, or none at all. You can toss on a gloss and call it a day, because this is cute. I put in a little faux green septum piercing just to go with the vibe. I'm so embarrassing. Lips are lined. So this is MAC Cosmetics Hot and Bothered. A red lip would look really good with this. I wonder if my neighbors can hear me. Like, knock 3 times if you can hear me, because I can hear you. The lashes I used are Kiss in the style Page Boy, and then I just used my Petite and Pretty Feathered mascara to really like bulk them up. The lash band on these are pretty non-existent, so I really like them. You can wear them like with no makeup, not no makeup, I'm not gonna say no makeup look, because that's just not a thing. You can wear it with no makeup if that's your gig, but you can wear it with very light makeup and not even have to worry about it at all. But this is the completed look. I'm so happy with how this turned out, you guys. I think it's so cute. I feel cute. I got my little fun buns, sitting here in my little tee with my arms flapping. I don't know. I like it. It was simple. It was cute. I was gonna do like this whole like ball out on some bullshit, but I was like, you know what? No, I want to do a fun like liner look. Once I kind of got my hair up, I was like, let's be a little bit more, I don't know, gamer girl, whatever you want to call it. But anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to see anything else I post. Check out, I have a video up right now. It's a BoxyCharm review plus giveaway, so check that out. This will be up before that ends on the 30th. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.